Unit 1, Exercise 2, use different type of invoice verification. Task 1, enter first invoice with reference to a delivery note. You have received the invoice as shown in the figure from the supplier. Enter this invoice with Create Supplier Invoice app. So here we have the date, the amount, reference. So here, enter the basic data, choose the reference document category delivery note, and enter the delivery note number. So here, delivery note. And we are going to analyze where the balance is not 0. So in the balance, in the item, the system proposes an item with a quantity and value to settle. Okay? View the PO history in the invoice item. Then go to the purchase order for the item and display the process flow. So let's see the history. We have ordered 100 pieces, received 90 and invoiced 0. Now in the purchase order, in the process flow, we can see that we have a purchase order and 3 good receipts, 20 pieces, and 50. So that's why we have here 90 pieces. How many good receipts have been posted for the purchase order item? Okay, why does the item list for the invoice not propose only the partial good receipt for delivery note for settlement? Because we have an invoice for only 20 pieces. So we are going to change our invoice here. 420 pieces. And click on check for the balance, which is now okay. We only have a warning message, which is normal. Quantity invoiced is smaller than the good receipt quantity. Okay. Correct the default value in the item list for the invoice according to the information in the supplier invoice, and post the document and not the invoice. So we can directly post. Okay. So task 2, enter a second invoice with reference to a delivery note. The invoice shown in the figure also refers to a delivery note. Enter the invoice with transaction MIRO or Create Supplier Invoice Advanced app. Okay, here the date, delivery note, the balance is not okay, we are going to see why. Enter the basic data, choose reference with the document category delivery note and enter the delivery note number. In the item list, the system proposed 2 items with quantities and value to settle. Go to the purchase order and display the purchase order history for the items. How many goods received have been posted for the PO items, and why does the item list for the invoice not propose all good received for settlement? So we are going to see directly in the purchase order, which is here. For the first one, we have 4 deliveries. And for the second one, we have also 4 deliveries. Okay, and none of them was invoiced. This is the first invoice for this purchase order. So accordingly to the invoice, we are going to select one of each, 10 pieces for 100 and 20 pieces for 1,000. Here, if I enter, the balance is now correct. Post the invoice and not the number. So post, and the invoice document is posted. Follow.